And if you heard from the background that we gave from the early days, the churches have always worked together with the agenda for attaining a just and peaceful society, and I think that should be a consistent approach of the church. There are two extremes, possible extremes. One extreme is, of course, to endorse any status quo. Another extreme is to oppose everything that is being done. But I don't think those two positions are helpful. I think the helpful position is a critical engagement, like what we had this morning when we had the audience with the Vice President, when we are sharing our concerns, and he is very open to see what are the possibilities for the church's contribution. And I think these are the delicate dance that we must continue to pursue.